Somebody got up early to help me with some homemade Poptarts.
I'm Amelia, and I'm...
They don't need to know all that.
Oh.
Start with our filling first. Tupperware bowl.
Can I help you mix it?
Yeah, you're going to. Half a cup of brown sugar. Yeah. 1 tablespoon of flour. Pulled this out just like that. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. UFO salt. Good. Oh, easy. You gotta chop up that brown sugar, okay? But with your other hand. As working on that, we're gonna get our dough ready. Eat!
This is so awesome.
Foul. Now this comes with 2 pie crusts. It makes 1 very large Pop-Tart. I saw Jordan Howlett's video this a while back, and I wanted to try it with my kids.
This kind of looks like rocks.
It does look like rocks, doesn't it? You're not wussing out on me, are you?
No, I'm not.
That's right. Unroll the scroll. Set them out on top of each other. I'm gonna square these off the best we can.
Looks like a square. My mommy said I need to get all these down from the bottom. My mommy will be so surprised.
Be surprised, all right, after you colored on your wall last night.
That wasn't really that good.
It wasn't you? Who was it, Casper? About what your Pop-Tart filling is gonna look like with the rest of it. Say it with me. Nice and easy. You want to help me fold it over? Be real easy. Right there. Just lay it on top, all right? Take your fork and just press down. Seal the edges up real nice. Did you brush your teeth this morning?
I think so.
Doesn't smell like it. We're going to make Bob a little quesadilla. 1 quesadilla and 1 empanada. For venting, you want to poke holes in the middle. 375, 15 minutes.
Wait, you forgot the butter.
We forgot the butter. Melted butter in a bowl, we're going to microwave that real quick. I used about a tablespoon at 30 seconds in the microwave. Good swishing. Did I forget anything? All right. Now, into the oven, 375, 15 minutes.
Just gonna check. Come back tomorrow for more.
No, we don't do part 2s. And with 1 cup of powdered sugar, I already used a half cup, so we're going to do that twice. Go ahead.
Half cup.
Half cup. Great Scott! Teaspoon vanilla extract. Just like that.
Okay.
Bam! About 2 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2. We're gonna mix that all together. My kids are pretty excited about the eclipse coming up today. It's like what, 2 or 3 o'clock, something like that. A total eclipse.
I can't
Blocking
see
out the sky.
anything.
That's the point. Now if we can get you to not say anything, it'd be even better.
I wish I would help mixing.
Well, go ahead.
Nice and gentle and scrubbing off the sides.
Who told you to be nice and gentle? Get up in there and get it. And this is the icing we're looking for right here. Mind if I play some Hell Divers while you get after it?
Sure.
All right. For democracy!
What does that mean?
Democracy?
Mm-hmm.
We're about to pull everything out of the oven, okay?
Okay.
What do we use these for?
The cook.
You do, but these are hot pads, okay?
Hot pads.
So they stay on the counter so we don't burn Mom's counter and get in trouble, okay?
Oh, okay.
You don't want to ever burn Mom's counter.
Okay.
Trust me. Now this girl is PPE, personal protective equipment. Usually you have to wear your safety glasses. Can you put yours on if you don't mind? Coming in hot. Look out. Don't touch.
Okay.
Now this is a super easy one you can do with the kids. This is my oldest, and she lost a tooth. So to celebrate, we made homemade Pop-Tarts. Yeah. So we made homemade Pop-Tarts today. Brown sugar, cinnamon. You ready to ice them?
Everyone like these Pop-Tarts.
That's the idea. Try to make sure Bubs get some too on their little Pop-Tart quesadillas. So we have officially made a homemade Pop-Tart. So try to cut this in 6 equal pieces here. Would you look at that right there? That is insane. You gonna taste test it? How is it?
Super good.
Here's our little Pop-Tart empanada. Yes. I likes it.